How to add a custom thank you page on Shopify store. So before we start, check out the best hosting services. They are recommended by professionals. To choose your one, click the links in the description below. So let's get started. First of all, you need to head over to the online store and tap on the pages. Once you are in your pages, you just need to go with add new page on the top right corner, and let's name it a title of thank you or something else like that. Once you do so, make sure the content is selected to HTML just like that and simply paste this particular code. Once you do so, you can also find this particular code from ChatGPT or other AI platforms. You can simply type the prompt of write me a code for a thank you page for my Shopify store. Once you do so, you can simply copy the code from ChatGPT or any other AI platform. As I said, you don't have to use the same one like I am using right now. So let's tap on the save on the top right corner, and as you can see, our thank you page is successfully created. So that was the process of how you can create a thank you page on Shopify store.